Well, COVID-19 cases have doubled in 2 days, according to a trusted law enforcement source. On January 5th, there were 27 cases, and on Monday, that number rose to 35, according to county officials. The source telling ABC 10 that number jumped to more than 80 today, and dozens of inmates were relocated to the Rio Casumes Correctional Center this morning. County officials say they are working to confirm this information and will have details to share tomorrow. The Public Defender's Office too say they are gathering information, adding that the surge in COVID-19 in the community has negatively impacted all levels of the criminal justice system. Tonight we spoke to Jamelia Land and her husband Samuel Brown, both advocates to end involuntary servitude. Brown released from prison 20 days ago after serving 24 years for attempted murder. In his time there, earning a bachelor's degree from Cal State LA. He says experiencing a COVID outbreak and being locked down in such a crowded, confined space was terrifying and detrimental to inmates' physical and mental health and their rehabilitation.
It's quite frankly counterproductive to rehabilitation and fighting against the pandemic. So if they really want to do something, they would figure out a way to not only allow people to continue getting the programming they need, but actually look at releasing people because they're just stacked on top of each other. And it's a recipe for disaster.
People tend to forget that prisoners are people too. And when we dehumanize someone and reduce them to less than a human being on our societal value scale, then we become more apt to accept treating them in inhumane and cruel fashions and dismissing and discarding them as an entire population.
Now, Land and Brown say that they are advocating for the release of inmates who may be at the most risk for COVID-19 complications, and maybe even those who are serving beyond their sentence and not the ones who are maybe the most violent or dangerous. Now, there is no word from county or state officials if we will see an expedited release of eligible inmates as we did see in 2020 and part of 2021. Again, we will receive more information from officials tomorrow.